green are not getting rain at this point, but you have the chance of rain and even some thunderstorms. Let's take a quick look at one radar, and we'll show you New Jersey, where it's been a pretty wet day. Actually, in New York City, rain ended a couple of hours ago, but look what's coming in. Looks like maybe a few more rain showers, but the heavier stuff is right along the Pennsylvania-New Jersey state line. Looks like Trenton down through Philadelphia. Some heavier thunderstorms, and they're all kind of following one after the other over the same spot, so that's how you end up with some very heavy rain. And so we'll be watching for some of the totals through here. Could be some minor flooding problems. Let's go ahead and go back to the national map and show you our front that's likely to bring us a few thunderstorms. We'll have them scatter back across central Missouri and then back into Colorado, where we've already seen some very heavy rain here, just like in the Northeast. We have 2 areas outlined for potential severe weather, but no watches in effect at this time. We'll give you the full rundown on the weather coming up next.
At Michelin, we believe a tire that's just good.
On Weather Scope, people in
You can plan on, because now we show it on the 8s of every hour. Local on the 8s on the Weather Channel.
55 in Philly. It's been in the 60s all day with the clouds and the rain ahead of this warm front, which stretches from New England south to the mid-Atlantic. And you can see the difference. If you're on the east side of that warm front, you've been in the clouds just about the entire day, but west of the warm front, you break out into that tropical air, and man, it is sticky out there. And then we have these big thunderstorms developing in West Pennsylvania, eastern Ohio. Flood watch is in effect, flood warning in effect for Allegheny County. These storms are intensifying, and given the high amount of moisture that we have available for their development, we do think they'll continue into early this evening with some local flooding, quite possibly 2 to 3 inches of rain in about an hour to 2 hours time. Rain decreasing over northern Jersey, but still hanging on over the southern tip of the state. And you notice the trend here continues to slide south. We have some pretty strong winds in the upper levels, helping to push a lot of the precipitation almost due south today until we get east of the Virginia Capes. Then the rain swings back in from the Atlantic into northeast North Carolina. Again, though, moving fairly quickly. And as we go to the Gulf Coast, you can see some of those rain clouds over Miami. But north of the Gold Coast, it's been a pretty quiet day over central and